I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. In the previous lecture, we had dealt with important points and treatment of important items appearing in trial balance only. In this lecture, we would deal with example on partnership final account in respect to various adjustments, how to be effected. As we have seen again and again in our previous lectures, that partnership is an association of more than one person coming together to do business for profits by investing capitals and agreeing on certain terms and conditions in a written document, which may or may not be registered under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. In Maharashtra, deed of partnership must be compulsorily registered. The accounts like proprietary firm has to be maintained of partnership firm. How it is to be maintained? Let's go through the example, which is as from the following trial balance of Messrs. Sucheta and Gayatri, you are required to prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2021 and balance sheet as on that date. Trial balance. Let now look into the trial balance. We all are aware that trial balance can be prepared in two formats, that is journal and ledger form. The example before us is in the ledger form. This form consists of debit balances on the left hand side and credit balances on the right hand side. The items shown in this example are items of trading, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and partners' capital or current accounts. Adverting to the first item, opening stock, trading account, debit side, building, asset, balance sheet, asset side. If you feel in short, you can also pinpoint it as trading account, debit item as TB, profit and loss account, debit side item PB, and balance sheet asset item BA. Again, let's go to the item of carriage, trading account, debit side, factory insurance, trading account, debit side, postage, profit and loss account, debit side, bills receivable, balance sheet, asset side item, debtors, balance sheet, asset side item, return inwards to be deducted from sales, purchases, trading account, debit side, audit fees, profit and loss account, debit side, loose tools, balance sheet, asset side, manufacturing expenses, trading account, debit side, electricity charges, profit and loss account, debit side, general expenses, profit and loss account, debit side, export duty, profit and loss account, debit side, cash in hand, and bank balance, balance sheet, asset side, conveyance, profit and loss account, debit side, furniture, balance sheet, asset side, salaries, profit and loss account, debit side, and rent and rates taxes is also profit and loss account debit side item. Drawings of Sucheta and Gayatri. If it is asked in fixed capital methods, then show it on debit side of partner's current account, or if it is asked in fluctuating capital method, then deduct from the partner's capital account. After concluding debit side, now we will go to credit balances. Creditors, balance sheet, liability side, sales, trading account, credit side, capitals of Sucheta and Gayatri, balance sheet, liability side, outstanding salaries. We know that trial balance items have only one effect. So outstanding salary is to be shown on balance sheet, liability side. Bills payable, balance sheet, liability side. Return outwards to be deducted from purchases, current accounts of partners, that is Sucheta and Gayatri. Prepare separate current account and stated in current account credit side. If one of the partner have current account debit balance, then show the said items on current account debit side. With this, we have gone through all the items of trial balance. And now we will be dealing with adjustments or additional information. Adjustments have two effects. While stating these adjustments, also give them particular adjustment number in the trial balance. Particular adjustment item like first adjustment, Sucheta and Gayatri are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Second adjustment, partners are entitled to get commission at 1% each on gross profit. While calculating 1% commission on gross profit, I have given working note ahead in further slide, which you may kindly go through. This commission is shown on the profit and loss account debit side with one effect, and second effect would be in partner's current account credit side. Third adjustment, the closing stock is valued at rupees 47,400. Its first effect would be on the trading account credit side, and second effect will be in the balance sheet asset side. Fourth adjustment, outstanding expenses, audit fees rupees 800, carriage rupees 1200. Give number 4 to the item of audit fees and carriage in the trial balance. While solving the example, this adjustment shall not be skipped. So numbering are must. This adjustment first effect would be in the profit and loss account debit side by adding it to the particular item, and second effect will be in the balance sheet liability side. Fifth adjustment, building is valued at rupees 93,000. It shall be given fifth number to this item. First effect would be taken in profit and loss account debit side treated as depreciation, and second effect shall be shown as deduction in balance sheet asset side from the item of building. In trial balance, the value of the building is shown as rupees 97,000, and in adjustment, the value of building is rupees 93,000. The difference of rupees 4,000 is to be treated as depreciation, and it is shown in the second working note. Sixth adjustment, furniture is depreciated by 5%. Number it is adjustment number 6. First effect to be shown in profit and loss account, and second effect is deduction from furniture in balance sheet asset side. Seventh adjustment, provide interest on partners capital at 2.5% per annum. Number this adjustment as 7. First effect in profit and loss account debit side, and second effect in partners current account credit side. Next, eighth adjustment, goods of rupees 1800 were taken by Gayatri for her personal use. First effect will be in trading account credit side, and second effect be taken in partners current account debit side. Write off rupees 2,000 as bad debts and maintain RDD at 3% on debtors. It shall be numbered as 9 to the item debtors. First effect of bad debts deducted from debtors, and second effect be taken in debit side of profit and loss account. After deducting bad debts, calculate reserve for doubtful debts. Its first effect shall be taken in profit and loss account debit side, and second effect be taken as deduction from debtors balance sheet asset side. With this, we complete the example. We will now be moving to the solution. In the books of Messrs. Sucheta and Gayatri, trading account for the year ended 31st March 2021. See how we have to discuss all the items of trial balance in posted to trading and profit and loss account. The item is of trading account is opening stock, purchases, less returns, factory insurance, manufacturing expenses, carriage, and outstanding expenses. Sales in credit side, less returns, buy goods withdrawn for personal use 1,800, closing stock that is 47,400. We will get the item which is highlighted in red color, that is of gross profit. This gross profit is to be posted into the profit and loss account credit side by gross profit. See the items of debit side of profit and loss account: to postage, audit fees, add outstanding, electricity charges, general expenses, export duty, conveyance, salaries, rent rates and taxes, depreciation of building and furniture, reserve for bad and doubtful debts. That is, first you have to write bad debts, then add in bad debts new RDD, that is adjustment RDD. Interest on capital, we have to calculate on capital of partners, that is Sucheta 7,500, Gayatri 2,500, commission of Sucheta 1980, Gayatri 1980. In red color, we have highlighted in this account, that is of net profit of Sucheta and Gayatri, which is distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Look at to the balance sheet as on 31st March 2021. See the partner's current account because it is fixed capital method. Example, capital current account balances by balance brought down by profit and loss account, that is of commission, by profit and loss account, that is of interest on capital, by profit and loss account, that is of net profit, which we have highlighted in profit and loss account, which shall be distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Debit side drawings of both the partners, additional drawings, that is goods withdrawn by Gayatri 1800, and the balancing amount, that is of 1,08,606 and Gayatri's 34,122, which is highlighted in red color. This is the balancing amount of partner's current account, which is mentioned or shown in balance sheet liability side. See in red color, partner's current account, Sucheta 1,08,606, Gayatri 34,122. Capital, because this is the fixed capital method example, so directly we should show the capital in balance sheet liability side of Sucheta and Gayatri, sundry creditors, bills payable, and all outstanding expenses effect in liability side. Building, less depreciation, bills receivable, debtors. First you have to deduct the amount of bad debts, then calculate RDD and deduct the RDD amount. You will get final balance of debtors. Loose tools, cash in hand, bank balance, furniture, less depreciation, and then closing stock. So after calculating gross profit or gross loss, transfer it to profit and loss account, debit or credit side, depending upon the outcome of the business in profit or loss. On preparing profit and loss account, if the outcome is net profit or net loss, then distribute it to the partners as per the agreed ratio. If no ratio is given, then equally, and transfer it to partners' current account. On showing all the adjustments relating to current or capital account, final balance arrived at, which shall be either debit or credit, would be shown in the balance sheet liability side or asset side. And finally tally the balance sheet. See the working note slide, that is of first is current account balances are given. So total amount of fixed capital is directly shown in the liability side of balance sheet. Adjustments effects are given in the current account. Closing balances, that is of credit of current account, are shown separately on the liability side of balance sheet. Building value is 93,000, whereas opening balance of building is given in is rupees 97,000. Therefore, difference of rupees, amount of rupees 4,000, that is 97,000 minus 93,000 is noting, but depreciation is charged on building. Return inward means sales return. Return outward means purchase return. How you have to calculate commission payable to partners? Sucheta 1% on gross profit. Gross profit amount is 1,98,000. So 1% commission is calculate like this, 1 upon 100 into 1,98,000 upon 1, that is rupees 1980. Like Gayatri, 1% on gross profit, that is 1 upon 100 into 1,98,000 upon 1, that is rupees 1980. With this, I hope that all of you have understood the various postings of the trial balance items and effects of adjustments in different forms of final accounts. With this, I conclude the problem and thanking you all. Next, we shall solve the example number 2 in the next lecture. Thank you.